Hello, and welcome to the process for the registration of pharmaceutical products in the Kingdom of Thailand, presented by Cloud9 Consulting Limited. Thailand is a country of great diversity, with a rich culture and history that stretches back thousands of years. In recent decades, it has become an emerging market with a growing economy and a population of over 70 million people. Thailand's skilled workforce is one of the best in Asia, with many manufacturing companies making significant investments in the kingdom. Thailand is a major importer of medicines and healthcare products. This is regulated by the Thai FDA. This presentation will guide you through the steps needed to satisfy the regulatory legislation and enable successful importation and sale of drug products in the kingdom. For the registration of drugs entering the Kingdom of Thailand for sale, there are two categories. Each category of drug is covered by separate regulatory legislation in departments within the Thai FDA. Modern medicines, which include new drugs, generic drugs and biosimilars. And herbal medicines, which include traditional herbal medicine, alternative herbal medicine and the development of herbal medicine. The following details the drug registration and approval process and is common to both drug categories. Steps 1 and 2 relate to obtaining an import license to permit sample drug importation. Step 1, submit documents for manufacturing license and/or import license. Step 2, submit documents for GMP clearance and/or GMP inspection. Cloud9 Consulting Limited representative implements Step 1 and Step 2 until license to import sample drugs is obtained. Step 3 relates to the submission of documents required for the drug registration process. An application for registration of the drug to the Thai FDA official along with documents or evidence as specified in the request form and as recommended as follows. 1. Sample drug, approved in Steps 1 and 2. 2. Evidence showing information on quality, efficacy, and safety of drugs. See Modules 1 to 5 of the ACTD or ECTD submission. These modules are discussed in more detail later in this presentation. 3. Drug labels and leaflet. 4. A certificate relating to the manufacturer and distribution of the product in the case of an imported drug. Documentation can be submitted to the Thai FDA in hard copy via Asian Common Technical Document or ACTD, or via the Electronic Common Technical Document or ECTD. Note: for herbal medicines only ACTD can be used. Step 4 relates to the evaluation of the drug registration submission documentation by experts. The experts can request additional documentation or clarification at this stage. Cloud9 Consulting Limited representatives are required to answer any questions from the expert panel or Thai FDA officer until drug registration is approved. The final decision to approve the new drug registration is made by the Thai FDA. If successful, the drug registration certificate will be issued, and the drug can be imported to Thailand for marketing. The drug registration and approval process can take approximately 2 years to complete. This section provides an overview of the modules of Electronic Common Technical Document, ECTD, and Asian Common Technical Document, ACTD, and their specific documentation requirements. Module 1: Administrative Information and Prescribing Information. Relevant documents of Module 1 comprise of the following. Application Form, ASEAN Harmonization. Letter of Authorization. For Manufacturing Approach, Manufacturing License, GMP Certificate and Production Permit for Drug Sample. For Importing Approach, Importing License, GMP Clearance, Import Permit for Drug Sample and Certificate of Free Sale, Certificate of Product Registration, and Certificate of Pharmaceutical Product. Product Information. Information about the experts, quality, non-clinical, clinical. Specific requirements for different types of applications. Environmental risk assessment. Product interchangeability equivalence evidence. Information relating to pharmacovigilance. Module 2 Common Technical Document Summaries. Relevant documents of Module 2 comprise of the following. Quality Overall Summary. Non-clinical overview. Clinical overview, efficacy, safety, and benefits risk conclusions. Non-clinical summaries, pharmacokinetic summary, toxicology summary. Clinical summary, summary of biopharmaceutic studies and associated analytical method, summary of clinical pharmacology studies, efficacy indication, and safety study. Key literature reference. Module 3 Quality Study Reports. Relevant documents of Module 3 comprise of the following. Drug substance information for the specification, analytical procedures and stability. Drug product information for pharmaceutical development, manufacturing process, batch formula, specification, process validation, analytical procedures, and stability. Module 4 Non-clinical study reports. Relevant documents of Module 4 comprise of the following. Pharmacology report. Pharmacodynamics and pharmacodynamic drug interactions report. Safety pharmacology report. Pharmacokinetics and pharmacokinetic drug interactions, non-clinical, report. Analytical methods and validation reports. Absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion report. Toxicology report. Genotoxicity report. Carcinogenicity report. Other studies, reproductive and developmental toxicity, fertility and early embryonic development, immunotoxicity etc. Metabolites report. Impurities report. Module 5 Clinical Study Reports. Relevant documents of Module 5 comprise of the following. Reports of biopharmaceutic studies. Bioavailability study reports. Comparative bioavailability and bioequivalence study reports. In vitro and in vivo correlation study reports. Reports of bioanalytical and analytical methods for human studies. Reports of studies pertinent to pharmacokinetics using human biomaterials. Reports of human pharmacokinetic studies. Reports of human pharmacodynamic studies. Reports of efficacy and safety studies. Thank you for your attention. Should you require further information, please visit our website.